Evening, everybody. Welcome to Milansoccer box break number 376 for July 30th. This is box number 11 out of 12 on case 1. Time, please note, is 11:23 on July the 30th, down below here. So just want you to see that right over here. I'm going to go through the eBay usernames. Thanks again, everybody, for paying so quickly. Helps us get out the boxes. Helps us get out the breaks quickly, so appreciate that. And just keeping in mind that Canada Post is a bit slow, so wanted to just flag that as well. I'm going to just go through the eBay usernames real quick, and then we'll start on the break. LA and the Canadians belong to AHR642000-4. The Stars belong to B. Curtis. The Leafs and the Knights belong to, the Leafs, Knights, Jets belong to Chthonic 1401. The Islanders belong to DE 30306512. The Canucks belong to DJ 121. The Rangers belong to Gamma.ca 2015. The Avs belong to Jomac 55. The Senators belong to K1BN. The Blues, the Canes, the Jackets, the Wings, the Oilers, and the Predators belong to Le Blues 78. The Coyotes belong to Niles Crane 1. The Sabres, the Blackhawks, the Panthers, and the Blues belong to Knuckleman. The Ducks, the Flames, the Wild, the Devils, the Sharks, the Lightning belong to SAS 6940. The Capitals belong to Shazam 58. The Flyers and the Penguins belong to Trey V33. Gonna just come back up here one last time just to show you the serial number 8135. Gonna just switch over to the webcam. We'll get started. There you go. 8135. Should have mentioned it's, of course, extended series hobby. Upper Deck. Good luck to everyone. Thanks again, everyone, and let's get started. Let's see what we can get in here. Did we start out with the first nothing in the... Just want to make sure I don't miss any suits or anything like that. I don't believe I missed anything there. That was the empty or the no-hit pack. We got that one out early, hopefully, and we won't have to worry about that again. Very nice. Our first one, Arthur Kevaliev for your Los Angeles Kings Young Gun. Congratulations to Los Angeles. Ty Smith, hologram for your New Jersey Devils. Congratulations to the New Jersey Devils. I am just going to check this, guys, because this looks like another pack that is... Oh, no, sorry, I missed it. There it is there. It's the French variant. Corey Schneider. There's your French variant. For your New York Islanders. And there's the French side. Almost missed that one. There we go. Congratulations, Islanders. Ultimate Victory for Oli Yolevi for your Vancouver Canucks. Congratulations to Vancouver. Is not cooperating with me. Wow, nice card. Reflections, Jack Eichel for your Buffalo Sabres. It's a nice looking card. Nice job, Buffalo. Young Gun for your Calgary Flames, Connor Mackey for Calgary. Congratulations, Calgary. Oh, that is a nice card. Congratulations, Minnesota. Krill Kaprizov, Retro Young Gun, Minnesota. Congratulations to Minnesota. Nice card. That was nice. I missed the Krill on the last boxes of retail, and I haven't hit him. Nice to get him. That was a nice card. Oh, Max Pacioretty on a retro. Congratulations, Las Vegas. Nice. Kevin Ball for your New Jersey Devils. Young Gun. Congratulations to New Jersey. Oh, nice. Connor McMichael, your SP Connor McMichael for your Washington Capitals. Finite. Nice card. Nice player. Congratulations, Washington. Oh, nice. It landed on a Young Gun. Kevin Ball, clear cut on a Young Gun. Congratulations to the New Jersey Devils twice. Nice. Nice card. Kevin Ball twice. One on a clear cut. It's nice when they land on a young gun. It looks like, I'm just going to double check this because I know we have the variants that come out that are suits, even in All-Star. I'm just going to put this one aside. This could be the variant of the All-Star jersey for Connor McDavid because there's nothing else in this pack as far as hits go. It could be that, or I don't think it's Jonathan Huberdeau. I believe it's Connor McDavid, but I'm going to put that one aside and we're going to double check that. That's just a checklist. And I don't see anything else here that would be odd or a hit, but we're going to check that Connor McMichael to make sure, Connor McDavid, excuse me. If it is, congratulations to Edmonton. A nice variant hit for sure. But we will double check that one. Young Gun Joel Hofer for your St. Louis Blues. I will try to check that before I get off camera. I will double check that myself. It might take me an extra second, so just hang on if you want to know that. But if I don't find it, we will double check it. Young Gun for your Vancouver Canucks, Jack Rathbone. Some excellent cards coming out today. If that McDavid turns out with the clear cut and the krill, nice pack, nice box. Oh, rookie class. For your Edmonton Oilers, Tyler Benson. Congratulations to Edmonton. Oh, Mitch Marner, Ultimate Victory for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice. Nick Suzuki on a retro Young Gun. Congratulations, Montreal. Nice card. Another nice card. Wow, this has been quite a box. I have to say this has been probably one of the better boxes I have opened in a long time. Nice box. Nice Nick Suzuki card. Ultimate Victory rookie Jake O'Trigger for your Dallas Stars. Congratulations to Dallas. Oh, nice hologram. Look at that. Holo FX Brock Besser. I like that card. That's a nice looking card for your Vancouver Canucks. Nice card. young gun for your Anaheim Ducks, Cody Curran. Congratulations to Anaheim. Another rookie class lands on Krill. Congratulations to Minnesota. Krill Kaprizov. This box has just kept on giving today. Oh, ovations for Alex Ovechkin for your Washington Capitals. Congratulations, Washington. Nice to land on Ovi. Now I'm just going to double check that card real quick on the other one after this pack. Just bear with me for a second. Shouldn't take too long. If I can't find it, we will make sure. Phil Kessel landing on a retro young gun for Phil. Congratulations to Arizona. I'm just checking the card. Almost there, guys. Let's see here. Oops, sorry. All-Star. Yeah, that looks like it is going to be a variant. Connor McDavid in the black jersey. Just going to go back to that card for a second, just to show you again. So this Connor McDavid in the black jersey is the variant. So congratulations to Edmonton. That is a nice card to get. Congratulations. Thanks again, everyone, and we'll get this posted.